If you want to enhance your security on Cash App, removing all devices from your account is a crucial step. Follow these simple steps to ensure that only your current devices have access. Step 1. Open Cash App. Launch the Cash App on your mobile device. Make sure you are logged into your account to access the security settings. Step 2. Navigate to Profile. Tap on your profile icon located in the top right corner of the home screen. This will take you to your account settings. Step 3. Access security settings. Scroll down and select the privacy and security option. Here, you will find various security features related to your account. Step 4. Manage devices. Look for the section labeled Manage Devices or Devices. This will show you a list of devices currently linked to your Cash App account. Step 5. Remove old devices. Select the old device you wish to remove and follow the prompts to disconnect it from your account. Confirm the removal to ensure it is no longer linked. By following these steps, you can keep your Cash App account secure by ensuring that only your current devices have access. Regularly managing your devices is a good practice for maintaining your financial security.